cars. You wanna go there? We're done. Yeah, it's a townsite daycare center. Oh, it's a daycare center. It's a school. You go there.
Pero wala pa nagklase, anak.
Wala man siguro karon wala siguro nagklase. Maybe this morning na. This is a daycare school.
Sa una, nakatula man ko pinali sa una.
Look at their school. There's so many vegetables. Oh,
Yeah, so many vegetables.
oh, look at their gardens. There's so many moringa here and kamuti tops here. Here, oh, moringa. Alright. Wow, this is a beautiful school, a daycare center. There's no class today, only in the morning. And ate is busy playing there. Mingaw kay si ate ay nagdula lang. And there's a guava tree over here.
It's a guava tree.
There. Wow.
I said,
Here.
what's
I don't know. There's a guava and there's a mango tree over here. Oh. Diba mango tree man eh? But there's no fruit.
the try this?
Na nga kumakauban to dito, nagkuha silang solo parent ID sa MSWD. Mung gihatod to amo ang kuan. Donation para sa mga gibahaan. And ate is here.
Mama, since,
What?
since afternoon,
Yes?
since afternoon, it's already been 2 hours afternoon, right?
Yeah, 2 hours after.
Oh yeah,
12.
lunch is done. That means the kinder is home.
Oo. 2 hours naman na ilahang klase.
Ano wala din? 3 hours. Ay,
Whole
half
day.
day.
Di, uy, kung daycare, 2 hours lang.
Ay,
8 to 10. Just like Sarpi good. Kay maboard man ang bata kung magklase og too much. No, kuan. Naaman natay free nga food ug mag-resist ang mga daycare. They are free of food from the government. Oo, dili sila mag-resist. Maybe their parents will stay there. O, kana diha sa mga parents. And
Oh, so nadanguban, magkat-kat sa biyabas.
sige, dapat lang ang mga parents magbantay para inikat-kat sa bayabas. Dili mahulog ang mga kids. Diba?
Guys,
You wanna try cut-cut the bayabas? Sige, you try cut-cut the bayabas.
palikot man kayo ng biyabas.
Yeah, can you do it? Hinay ha, kay na siminto biya sa kilid.
1, 2, 3, tamak there. Kuha this. Yeah! Kinig! May bunga! Not na bunga ba? Dili kayo kuhaon ba?
Wala gani hinog no, wala gani hinog sa ubos kay duol na kayo. Wala dili mahinog.
Ano man?
Kuon man dai na hinog. What?
Did the children plant the vegetables or did the parents plant the vegetables?
Maybe the parents because how imagine the children here the student kay kuan. Ang edad just like Sarpi, 5 years old. Maybe they can plant but with the help of their parents of course and the
Mama,
teacher.
maybe one day we will plant at the back of our school.
Oo, baya magplant baya no kato sa likod sa school.
I couldn't go.
Mabata ito ingon ni ma'am, ang itanom kay kuan. Unsa ganito itanom?
Lugbate.
Oh, alugbati.
It's so hard.
Alugbati ug okra man siguro to.
Without okra.
Panahuman sila dito silang DSWD silang solo parent ID. Si ate dere busy kayo si Gigdola.
Are you a solo parent, Mama?
No, I'm not a solo parent.
A solo parent
Solo parent.
is a parent that you only have only one mother and only one father.
Oo. Just like them. They're just mother, no father. Ay, sige, have fun.